Hi, I'm Trent, Program Manager at Ascentive, with this week's review of Ascentive Trade Map portfolio activity and investment results. We began last week in a fantastically strong position following a gain of $10,980, and although this week we gave back $4,322, our ROI has grown by 2%. So let's dive into the details. We began last week with the overall portfolio running a profit of almost $31,000. This was from an investment of under $35,000, which is a phenomenal 90% ROI. In a few moments, you'll see that this week our ROI grew even higher, by 2%. Notice that the July coffee futures contract, which was running a 70% return, was due to expire this week, and we expected to see a close position indicator for this contract. During the week, we closed 4 positions. This created a very nice take-home total profit for the week of almost $8,000. This includes the expiring July coffee position I just mentioned, but it was closed by its trailing stop-loss order rather than expiring as we'd expected. The contract's price turned unfavorable for us, and our return was reduced to 12%. Also, as we mentioned last week, the financial commodity futures contracts were not all trending in the same direction. This week, that was corrected by the markets. Notice the 2 reverse signals in the list. Now all of the financial futures are pointing in the same upward direction. This means that at least in the short term, interest rates are expected to decline. During the week, we opened 5 new positions. 2 of the open position signals shown here are redacted because they are shown only to paid subscribers for Monday's market opening trades. As we just mentioned, 2 new open position signals resulted from price trend directional reverses in the financial commodity futures markets. The effect of the market's indecision concerning interest rates is very clear in the reversals we've been seeing. So we begin next week again in a strong position as Ascentive Trade Map paid subscribers. The overall portfolio is running a profit of over $18,000 on an investment of about $20,000. That's a 92% return on your money. If you're not yet a paid subscriber, you're missing out on a risk-free opportunity to grow your personal wealth and financial security. The daily buy and sell recommendations you receive are guaranteed to earn more in profits than the price of your subscription, or else it's free. And you can cancel your subscription anytime. But not a single subscriber has ever canceled their subscription. Not one. We're very confident you won't either. That's our review of the past week. Although Ascentive Trade Map investing is based exclusively on technical analysis, here are some coming fundamental items of note ahead. Next week will be a highly eventful one for the financial markets, featuring a multitude of corporate earnings reports from dozens of prominent companies, including big tech firms. On Tuesday and Wednesday, officials from the U.S. Federal Reserve will meet for the 2-day July policy meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, where it's widely expected to raise the benchmark federal funds rate by a minimum of 7 to 5 basis points. Further updates on the housing market will track real estate price growth in May, along with new and pending home sales for the month of June. On Thursday, the advance estimate for second quarter gross domestic product growth will be released, providing clues as to whether the U.S. economy is headed toward a recession. Finally, the last July Consumer Confidence Index will be released on Friday. But again, those are subjective fundamentals. Instead, keep looking for the Ascentive buy and sell alerts in your inbox each trading day. They are the purely objective indicators we follow. Have a great week, and thanks for being an Ascentive Trade Map investor.